Outside is our trial assembly area. After the parts are produced, they will be tested here. We will only ship the goods after confirming that there are no problems. In our riveting and welding workshop, our experienced team ensures every joint of our steel towers is perfectly bonded. We combine skilled craftsmanship with strict quality checks to guarantee the durability and safety of our structures, whether for power transmission or telecom applications. Factory Direct Supply supports custom designs based on provided drawings, fully certified, and capable of worldwide shipping. Welcome project discussions, efficient communication for quotations and customized solutions.